Hello, I'm Sue Augustus. This is an overview of ways to appeal decisions from the Social Security Administration, the state of Illinois, or your health insurance carrier that you disagree with. The information applies to people with disabilities, including older Americans with physical, cognitive, sensory, or mental impairments. If you are receiving Social Security benefits or assistance from the state, such as Medicaid, food stamps, or cash assistance, you are entitled to file appeals of decisions that affect your eligibility or benefits. You should receive a letter from either Social Security or the state of Illinois whenever your benefits change. That letter tells you why a decision is being made that affects your benefit and how to appeal if you disagree with the decision. The letter will also tell you the deadline by which you have to file the appeal. Some reasons why your Social Security check may be changed or stopped. If you are receiving SSI, SSDI, or early retirement benefits, you may have gone back to work and have earned income. This could have resulted in an overpayment of benefits. If you are on SSI, you may have gotten married or divorced, or your living situation or other income changed. These circumstances will affect the amount of your check. You should file an appeal if you disagree with the decision. If you are receiving SSI, you may have more than $2,000 in resources. Social Security checks bank accounts and other assets once a year to determine the amount of your resources. You should file an appeal if you disagree with the decision. It is possible that Social Security decided that you were no longer disabled due to a continuing disability review. You should file an appeal if you disagree with this decision. For Social Security appeals, you can file an appeal over the phone at 1-800-772-1213 or in person at the local Social Security office or by mailing an appeal to the address listed in the letter that you disagree with. Certain decisions can also be appealed online at www.socialsecurity.gov. For state benefits such as Medicaid, food stamps, also known as SNAP, or cash assistance, TANF, or AABD, you can call and file an appeal, or you can appeal in writing. You can also file a grievance if you feel you were mistreated by a state eligibility worker. To receive a grievance hearing, a client or their representative must file a written complaint within 60 days from the day the client says they were mistreated. You may file using a client grievance form. The grievance may be filed in any Family Community Resource Center office, also called the Illinois Department of Human Services offices in the state. For health insurance, including Medicare, Medicaid, and private health insurance, you can also file appeals from decisions on coverage or payment. When you receive an explanation of benefits letter from your insurance carrier, it will explain how to appeal. Please read these letters so you know whether you have to file an appeal and when you have to file it. Remember, it is always better to file an appeal if you are unsure if a decision is correct.